Hi everyone, in this video we're going to talk about merging cells in Excel. So, what does merging cells mean? Simply put, it's combining two or more cells into one larger cell. This is great for titles, section headings, or when you want certain information to span across multiple columns or rows. To merge cells, start by selecting the cells you want to combine. Then, go to the Home tab on the ribbon, and in the Alignment group, you'll see the Merge and Center button. Click the small drop-down next to it, and you'll find different options for merging. Merge and Center combines the cells and centers the content. Merge Across merges cells in each row separately. Merge Cells just combines them into one without changing alignment. And if you need to go back, you can always choose Unmerge Cells to separate them again. Just remember, when you merge cells, only the content in the top left cell will stay, everything else will be removed. And that's all you need to know about merging cells in Excel. Try it out and see how it can improve your spreadsheets. What Merge Across does. Unlike the standard merge that combines all selected cells into one, Merge Across merges cells in each row individually. This means each row in your selection becomes its own merged cell, while the other rows remain separate and intact. Remember, when using Merge Across, only the content in the leftmost cell of each row will stay, any other data in the selected cells will be removed. And that's it. For more quick Excel tips and tricks like this, make sure to check out my other videos. There's a lot more to learn and make your work easier.